Do you need to separate your work life from your personal life? Or maybe you just need a fresh start away from spam? Creating a second Gmail account is the fastest way to do it. Here's exactly how to set one up in less than 60 seconds. Let's dive right in. Launch Google Chrome and go to the home page. And on top right, click on your profile icon. If you already have a few accounts, you see them listed here. Now tap on Add Account. Here they're asking you to sign into your account, but we're going to create an account. So click on Create Account. And now you have the option of for my personal use or for work or my business. Unless you're running a registered business, select for my personal use. It's easy to set up. Enter your first and last name, then hit Next. Add your basic info like birthday and gender. Now hit Next. Now the important part, pick in the email address. Type in your idea and hit Next. Hit Next, and now create a strong password. Once you hit Next, Google may ask you to verify your phone number to prove you're not a bot. Just enter the code sent to your text messages. Review your info, scroll to the bottom, and click I agree, and just like that, you are inside your brand new Gmail account. Ever wonder how to find your Gmail password? Check this video now.